All right, so I think that we're recording here. So this is my this is where the P3 get the repository that P3 lives in is right here. So if we go to the actual page, um, took a little bit for me to get my local host configuration right, but we finally got there. So this is it, programmer's best friend. So we've got two links here. I'll apply CSS and images to this to make it pretty, but I wanted to get the screencast out while it was, because it was functional. Two basic options: generate users. Here, if we want, 7 users, we generate, and then they're generated there at the bottom of the page. Or conversely, we can just click the go back button and then go to the lorem ipsum generator and generate, say, 5 paragraphs of text, and then that is good for that. Someone's knocking my door. Hold on. All right, sorry about that. So we're back here. So this is the lorem ipsum generator, and that's pretty much it. Functionality to go back. So essentially, what we've got, if we crack open our code here, is our routes. We've got a post and a get route for both the user generator and for the lorem ipsum generator, and a get route for what I'm calling the P3 controller, the main controller, for the home page. So if we look at it, our master's undeveloped, as we can see from the site, but we'll build that up here. This is the user generator. So this is the initial form where the user puts their input in. We use input type number, max 1 to 100, and that's pretty much that. That then sends the input to the lorem ipsum control, the text controller, or excuse me, the user controller, which is the controller for the user generator. And this, we made use of Fazzinoto's Faker library, which is just fantastic. Lots of inputs and outputs. And then here's our return view statement, where we return view to the lorem ipsum user generated. And that is here, which is basically a clone of the initial site with now the, I'm sorry, I'm a little bit confused here, user generated, which is a clone of the initial site with the data from the array that we built in using those random values. And then sort of similar deal with the text controller. So the text controller uses the bad cow lorem ipsum generator, and that's really, really simple. And so it returns the view to the lorem ipsum generated with this variable called paragraphs. And that is, where's text generated? It's not open, but it's essentially the same thing. Hold on a second. All right, so lorem ipsum generated here has the functional capabilities of the main site for generating lorem ipsum, and then it also reports back the paragraphs here and has go back functionality or whatever. So that's about it. That's the whole thing. All right, thanks so much for watching.